I'm gonna give you the best tip on how to take care of your wig or your waves. So I've been a hairstylist of over 15 years. I'm gonna give you the best tip on how to take care of your wigs or whenever you have sewing. Keep watching. As you can see, I already have a wig right here that I'm about to install this wig on my customer head. As you can see, the wig is dry. It do need some TLC. It needs some love. You know that. So sometimes you got products to put on your wig. I got you. It's actually very, very simple. Let's put the camera back on me. So this is the only product that you need to style your wig or to take care of your wig pretty much. You don't need to put too much product on your wig, like too much leave-in conditioner, styling product. As long as you have a human hair, it's already good hair already. All you need to put in your hair is just this bio silk or any good oil-based product, just a tiny bit like this, and this is all you need. Because the hair is no longer on someone else's head and it's not getting the nutrients that it usually gets whenever your hair is attached to your head. So the more product you put on the hair, the more random product, the more it's gonna look dry and stiff and old. As you can see, just that product formed the hair from raggedy to like hydration. And just see when I'm combing the hair. Using that one product, and this video is not sponsored, it's just my honest review to help you guys get the best product. Thanks for watching. I'll be giving you more hair tips in my next video.